Hello guys, if you wanna change device theme on your Samsung Galaxy S20, plus for the first you have to go to My Menu and click here on the Galaxy themes. And as you can see, there's a lot of themes that you can choose, but if you don't want to pay for it, just click here and type free. And as you can see, there's a couple of totally free themes, so we can go for this one, click download, and now we have to just log in to the Samsung account or just use the Google. So I will go with the Google account, and now it is downloading, so we have to wait a few moments. Okay, and right now click just on the apply, click on the apply again to confirm. And we are on the 100%, and as you can see, our theme has changed. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.